Hey guys, Crazy 45 Cat, and it's the first day of June, the first day of hurricane season, and the rains have begun. Haven't had much rain out here for 2-3 weeks. Well, at least a month maybe. And here we go. See all that water. My deck is angled down towards the seawall. And off she goes. Yeah, here it's coming down pretty good. Ooh, some lightning too. Cool. Hopefully we'll stop by tomorrow. We're supposed to go out to the dog park with Lucy. And we'll have to see how Lucy reacts to the rain. She's not really been on a bunch of rain since I've had her here, so it ought to be interesting. I'm gonna get my camera all wet, but sneak around the corner there. Yeah, man. Cool thing is, you sit at the hut, you can stay dry. But I'm not going out there. It's what, 9:30 now? I don't want to get all wet and try to catch a cold, you know. All right, see you guys later.